No heavy rain tonight, nothing on the order of that. Light rain, though. And then we got to talk about next week. WDSU First Warning Weather Doppler radar showing you where the light rain is right now. And the North Shore isn't getting a whole lot of this. No lightning strikes out of it. Where the rain is, it's into the metro. It's in New Orleans. We've got it all around West Bank, East Bank, and even Causeway, too, as you head into Lake Pontchartrain. But as you cross over Lake Pontchartrain, don't see much north, or we'll show. River Parish has got the light rain all the way from St. John the Baptist to St. James, too, starting with St. Charles Parish, of course, too. We got our Bayou parishes. The rain lets up a little bit as we head farther to the coast, so not much to Cocodrie and as you head to about Grand Isle. And there it is, not much North Shore, but that little bit of rain could clip that's coming out of right Frenier and Ponchatoula and Rudock, maybe Mandeville, Madisonville. You get a little bit of light rain pushing in here just a little bit. That covers our radar. Let's talk temperatures. It's a little bit chilly with that rain, the clouds that are there, 50s for us. And not to be forgotten, we're actually going to end this week a little bit milder, a little bit nicer, getting some sunshine. So really kind of soak in the next few days while you can. Gulf low developing here, and that's the light rain that we've got, but it's out tomorrow. Plenty of sunshine. A nice day to finish to round out Thursday. Friday starts off nice. Clouds will build in late. Could be a shower there, but then we're tracking the Arctic front that's going to come through. That's going to come through Saturday night. So the light rain forecast will show lining up with radar pretty well with this particular forecast. North Shore, I even think you get the light rain eventually too, so I got about a 90% chance. It's all out of here early morning hours, and how much you get? A few tenths really. I'd go about maybe 2 to 3 tenths. The ½ inch, 3/4 inch is a little bit too far. Chilly tomorrow morning when the clouds start to clear. So we're 30s North Shore, 40s South Shore. Cloudcast tomorrow, plenty of sunshine, and that's going to bring those temperatures to 60s, and that's pretty much the average for the time of the year, 60, 61, 62. Friday starts off with sun, clouds build in late. Could see a shower coming in nighttime hours. We still get temperatures around 64, 65, 66. Let's jump right into the extended forecast. This is the latest data coming in here out of the United States. We know it gets colder for sure on Sunday, and a reinforcing shot of the Arctic air to really be felt by Monday. So Monday really is going to be the worst for the cold weather in the first round of it coming in. But watch the precipitation forecast here out of the U.S. around Tuesday. Nothing. Forecast out of Europe, completely different. You look at the wintry mix here, that's going to be rain, sleet, snow, freezing rain. The freezing rain's that ice, sheet of ice on the roads or covers the trees and the fences. You know, it's terrible. This is snow that shows up in the purple blue. Now, the forecast out of the U.S., once again, nothing through Tuesday. The forecast out of Europe, wintry mix right on through, rain south, and you see there's a lot of precipitation here. Again, the forecast out of the U.S. shows that clouds build in by Wednesday and maybe a little lingering precip here out of Europe. So listen, the big thing is the precipitation forecast is all over the board. You can see it goes from nothing, something, it goes from rain, it goes from wintry weather. So there is still a lot of ways to go before we get to that point. What we're sure of, we know the cold is here. In the North Shore, we got to really protect those pipes now. I think it gets down to as cold as 17. The wintry precip was centered around Tuesday if we get it. But right now, as we just showed, still discrepancies in that outlook. So impact day coming Saturday, that could be some heavy rain if a thunderstorm arrives. Alert days starting with the cold Sunday, lasting through Wednesday. We will keep focused with every computer forecast update through Tuesday.